So, dear students, in last video we discussed about properties of charge, charge quantized, charge conserved, charge positive, negative, etc., charge additive. Now, to move forward, we need, though you are having much knowledge, but still my duty is there to tell you the basic fundamentals. My stress remains that nothing should be left untouched. So there is some conductor. We will be talking about conductors. Primary definition of conductor of electricity: the materials which allow electric charge to flow through them are called conductors of electricity. For example, metals are good conductor of electricity. This is because metals have free electrons. Metals have free electrons which can move inside metal freely. Not freely, but they should move, but we can say they move inside metal. Because when they move, they keep on colliding with each other, etc. So many things we will discuss later on. But they can move. Then we come insulators. Insulators are material which do not allow the current to flow, charge to flow. For example, plastic, rubber, wood, etc. We have learnt a lot of things about them. So I told you simply conductors of electricity and insulator. We have very good insulators of electricity or bad conductor of electricity, like plastic. In our buildings, we use electricity wire and which are covered with plastic so that we don't get electrified. So, but heat has not such a bad conductor. Now, I come to the topic here: electric induction. Electric induction. Electric induction. This term will be used in 12th physics many times. Induction word. Induction means something which is present but not visible, and by doing something we make that thing apparent or to appear is induction. Suppose here we have a conductor or a piece of metal you can have which is placed on insulator. Which is placed on insulator. This AB conductor. When we bring here any charge body, suppose this body has positive charge on it, positive charge on it, then in last video I told you that like charges repel and like attract each other. This conductor, AB is the conductor, placed on insulator. Placed on insulator. Why? No charge should be allowed from outside. So when we bring this charge body near it, then here appears negative charge and there appears positive charge. Why it is so? Because free electrons are attracted by positive charge and they leave here net positive charge. Deficiency of electron here produce a net positive charge. This process of producing a positive charge is by bringing a charge body close to a conductor is called electric induction. Induce karna. And we people teachers always ask students to do work hard, to read again and again. So you do, but we don't, and you get good marks and good achievement. That process is induction. So we use this induction very many times. But here simply I told you, you can read book. In our NCERT book, you have been shown how to charge two spheres positively and negatively. Suppose these two spheres are placed, A and B, are placed on insulator here. The metal sphere. These are two metal spheres placed each other close to the. Suppose we bring here a charge body having positive charge. So due to electric induction, there will appear negative charge here and positive charge this side. A and B are two metal spheres placed on insulators. Now we take this little away, and then we also move A and B away from each other, keeping it away. इसको हम दूर ले आए charge body. Then what will happen here? This positive charge gets spread inside and negative charge this inside. Sorry, उल्टा हो गया. Negative charge here and positive charge here gets spread, and when we remove away this negative and positive charge remain there. So that way we can induce a net charge on metallic conductors. We can use single conductor also to charge it. You can need look, that is not such a big problem here. Things are waiting you to understand. So metals have free electrons. So I told you okay, when we rub glass rod with silk, then they acquire positive charge. Why? Because some electrons get detached from the plastic and they can go to the silk. So that way glass rod get positive charge and negative. So and charge quantized Q equal to Ne, and I told you E is very small, 1.6 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. We will discuss unit charge coulomb later on. So in our book there is one question. If you want to give 1 coulomb charge plus 1 coulomb charge to a conductor, and in doing so we are extracting 10 to the power 9 electrons per second. Electrons per second. If question is that we want plus 1 coulomb charge, plus 1 coulomb charge on a conductor, on a conductor. If 10 to the power 9 electrons per second are taken away, then how much time? How much time is required? You will get here amazing answer. Okay. 10 to the power 9 electrons are being pulled out of the conductor. So first of all we need how many electrons will be taken out to give 1 coulomb charge. So you know Q equal to Ne. I think I told you yesterday also. Q is 1 coulomb and निकालना 1.6 10 to the power 19 or M equal to 1 upon 1.6 10 to the power 19 electrons. It will come out on solving 6.25 10 to the power 18 electrons. This much number of electrons are to be taken out. 10 to the power 9 electrons are taken per second. Suppose t seconds or n seconds are time taking t. So t into 10 to the power 9 equal to 6.25 10 to the power 18. So t will come out 6.25 10 to the power 9 seconds. 6.25 10 to the power 9 seconds. Can you convert this into year? Dear student, please try to learn something by heart like you learn tables. And once you are asked 16 8 you say 120, 144 like that. So here 1 year. If you keep on multiplying, it will take long time. But remember, 1 year equal to 3.16 10 to the power 7 second. वैसे 3.155 होता है. I will take rounded off. So if you remember this forever, 1 year 3.16 10 to the power 7 years, seconds. So if you want to convert this into 6.25 10 to the power 9 upon 3.16 10 to the power 7. So it come out nearly 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 2 years. 200 years required. So this realizes how small is the charge of electron. I hope you have enjoyed this fact. Please, 1 year, remember it, 3.16 10 to the power 7 seconds. I remember like this, root 10 equal to 3.16. मैंने ऐसा देखा root 10 है, 6 plus 1 7. उसमें multiply को जाएगा. If you multiply, you get the same thing. And there is one more question in NCERT book. How much positive charge and negative charge present in a cup of water? In a cup of water, how much is the positive charge and cup of water? Cup of water. एक जनरल कॉमन सेंस है, नथिंग गिवन. वी मस्ट नो कि वन कप ऑफ वाटर, वन कप which in which we take tea consists nearly 250 gram of water. Water formula H2O. In one molecule of water, plus 2E और plus 8E, तो उसका पॉजिटिव चार्ज एक मोलिक्यूल में, यानी कि 10E प्लस और माइनस 10E हाइड्रोजन H2O है. हाइड्रोजन हैज 1 प्रोटॉन 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन 2 है ना. तो इट मीन्स यू नीड हाउ मेनी molecules of water are present in one cup of water. It is a serious problem here. Students never try to understand. But you know very well that 1 mole of compound, 1 mole of a compound, sorry, 1 mole of compound is equal to 6.023 times the power 23 molecules. Then how much molecules are present in 250 gram water? Here is trouble. If I ask you, okay, bring me 1 mole of water, bring me 1 mole of water, bring me 1 mole of any material, तो वो बच्चे, and it is simple. There is a unit of mass which is called gram atom mass या gram molecular mass, and 1 gram molecular mass, 1 gram molecular mass of compound, 1 gram molecular mass of compound, you know, is equal to its molecular mass taken in grams. Molecular mass taken in gram is equal to 1 gram molecular mass. 1 gram molecular mass या 1 gram atomic mass. These are also unit of mass like gram and kilogram. So, for example, water, molecular mass 18. So 18 gram of water 1 mole. That's why you are asked in chemistry, okay, to convert the given mass into moles divided by molecular mass. तो 18 ग्राम इक्वल टू 1 मोल, तो 250 ग्राम कितना होगा, एंड देयरफॉर 250 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर इक्वल टू 250 अपॉन 18 मोल्स होगा। ठीक है भाई। तो एक मोल में है कितने एटम, 6 इंटू 10⁻23 मॉलिक्यूल्स हो गए। तो इसमें कितने हो गए, 250 अपॉन 18 इंटू 6 इंटू 10⁻23 डिवाइड करो इसे एंड तो पॉजिटिव चार्ज क्या होगा, +10 E into this. You can multiply E charge of electron and the same is negative. I hope you will enjoy this is example in your book NCERT. So these are some simple things which we should learn from the books. There are other factors which I want to make you clear in next coming videos.